Hi, welcome to November's Free Family Funday at the Manila Museum of American Art. This month, we will be taking inspiration from the sketchbooks of Sally Michel. In our current exhibition, Sally Michel Abstracting Tonalism, we are lucky enough to have 3 of Michel's sketchbooks on display. She would take these portable sketchbooks with her during her summer travels, like to Vermont, Maine, and Spain, like she did with the ones on display. In these sketchbooks, she would draw, sketch, or use watercolor to capture quick depictions of landscapes or people around her. Sometimes she would return home and use these sketches as a basis for large paintings. To create your own sketchbook, all you need is a piece of paper, scissors, and drawing supplies to fill the pages. To begin, fold your paper in half 3 times. The larger the paper, the larger your sketchbook will be. Then, open the paper up and fold it in half short ways. Cut along the fold, stopping at the middle point. Open up your paper again and grab it from the ends and push in until the paper makes an X shape. Fold and flatten to reveal a sketchbook made by just 1 piece of paper. These are the perfect portable size to take with you on your own adventures. Make as many as you want and fill them with things you see. Perhaps you could even turn one of your sketches into a larger painting later, just like Sally Michel did. We'd love to see what you fill your sketchbooks with. Tag us on social media using #ManilaMuseum and join us for the next Free Family Funday on December 8th.